morning. We're starting our very long trek down the stairs in Paris. The day's starting. The cold is colding. My nose is dripping. It's fun. It's a great time. I love it. I'm so happy. But we have a lunch reservation today.
Yes.
And then everything else is we're just gonna make it up as we go. So. It's under repair. Finally. I'm so excited. There's pastry in France. It's a banana chocolate almond pastry.
She has a croissant to rate. All over and sugar.
I'm sure she'll rate them pretty highly here. I hope. That's pretty good. 1 cup of coffee and we're new women. Paris is so pretty. Everywhere is pretty. I've never been like to a new place. Oh, what is with this? What is with the brightness? I've never been to a place like on vacation where I've been like, oh, this place is gross. Let's leave. Let's get out of here. Let's scram. Even if it's like a dirty place, just go somewhere cleaner.
I felt that way about Boise, unfortunately.
Oh, I don't think I would ever vacation in Boise.
Well, I was working.
Yeah.
But I just remember the feeling I had when I flew in, and like, it's not green at all. I've never been used to flying anywhere where it's just like that red dirt. Like my stomach dropped when I looked out the window. I was like, oh gosh, what did I do to myself?
Oh no. I feel bad for all the other people on the other side.
They'll get it eventually.
Hopefully.
Should they get it?
We made it! Drinks are here. Sure, you can try mine too. Potatoes are here. Oh, they look so good. I've got the zucchini risotto. Lela opted for pizza.
I'm very excited for this.
Pizza. And we've pretty much, we're halfway through the potatoes. Vanilla cappuccino, creme brulee. We're really in Europe, huh? This creme brulee. Camera's there. This creme brulee is delicious.
Spaghetti arrabbiata.
Hello, it is future me interrupting to tell you that while we were in this staircase, the waiter gave Lela a note. We didn't film any of it because we were too busy laughing over the fact that she has a boyfriend and I was single.
Free pink mamas and a life in Paris. This is what Travis is competing with. Is he aware of that? It's really cute. Is he a date? Is he doing what's the word I'm looking for? Is he interpretive?
I think it is
Interpretive dancing, or is he just a non-stereotypical mime breaking out against all?
He doesn't have a mime outfit on.
But that's the thing. He's breaking stereotypes.
If anyone could do it, it would be you. Not me getting my finger in it.
God. Came to a mall to shop because shopping in Paris is just something that you have to say that you've done, you know? When you come to Paris, you have to say, oh, I was shopping in Paris. Just out shopping in Paris. You know how it is. I still can't believe, I mean, like, I can't believe we're in Europe because, like, we are, but also I'm like, this mall feels more like a mall than the other place.
Yeah,
the other place was like just a shopping center and a train station, but this is actual mall.
Which I appreciate actually. Because it looks like I'll be able to find what I'm looking for. Which is
I
one
hope
beautiful
so.
dress.
We're just here for one beautiful dress. Do you think we could just go to the information booth and be like, one beautiful dress, please?
Probably not, unfortunately. Even though they should definitely have something for that.
How cute these are!
That's a beautiful dress, but I want one for my
We need
size.
adult size. Still at the mall. I only tried on one thing and I hated it, so I haven't really been trying anything on. I'm not really in a shopping mood. I'm really picky about clothes, so it's really hard for me to shop sometimes. But we're here. Should be here a little bit longer. Honestly, we're probably gonna stay out more in Paris because the stairs to get up to the Airbnb are insane. So we're probably not gonna be like, let's stop back at our place first and then do it, because we have to climb up all those stairs and then back down. It's just like, nope, I'm not gonna do it. And we came to the real fun. It's a massive Coromi. From the Opera House. Apparently, it's under construction, I guess. Everyone's just here to watch this busker. Basically, he has a really big audience right now. Because they're all just chilling on the steps and he's just there performing.
This is the
It's just pay no attention to the opera house behind the curtain. I think it's K-pop. I don't know. We were just dancing over here and we realized there's people on the other side. They didn't see us. They haven't seen us. It's fine. It's totally fine. What is happening? Our friends have closed their blinds because I think they noticed we were over here. We put BB King on the stereo. And Lela is chefing it up for us. Thank you, Lela. Whoa, I almost knocked over the water. Look at this amazing salad. Oh, the lens is... Look at this amazing salad. Just ignore the first clip. And then we got chicken going in the pan. Yeah. This Airbnb is pretty well stocked. It kind of makes me uncomfortable because I just feel like I'm in somebody's house and they're not here. But luckily for us, it does mean it is really well stocked.
Yeah.
Quick tour living room. I'm just vibing in here. We got some tomato, cucumber, lettuce, carrots.
Yeah.
Mine doesn't have tomatoes because I just can't stand. I just don't like biting into a tomato. It makes me so uncomfortable. I'm sorry.
A lot of people.
I can't do it. I'm sorry. I like the taste. I really do, but the biting into it experience is just not for me. I'm the same with pickles. Like, I don't even really mind the taste of pickles. I just can't bite into one. It makes me so uncomfortable.
Yeah.
But anyways, this is our Airbnb. We got a lot of stairs that you've seen already. Okay. It's really pretty because there's a lot of light. Like, look out this window. Look how cute. Beautiful, aesthetic. Even with my sunglasses right there in the corner. So aesthetic. And then we just ignore the mess of my suitcase. Okay, that's it. It's so pretty here, I could die. Lela is here. Well, she's not here somewhere. So I'm not gonna wait in this line.